Hi guys, just recently my partner had renovated my craft room and I wanted to show you and give you a little tour of where I do all my crafting. A few years ago I did do a video of my craft room space and did a little tour of that, and I did do a shabby chic theme. Well, this time around we've updated the room and it's a slightly different to how it used to look. So I want to yes, give you a quick little look at my space here. So this is where I do all of my crafting and where I do my video. This is a new flooring that we put in and fresh paint as well. I get the view of the street out the back here, and over here is some more of my craft supplies. Most of the furniture in here is from IKEA and Kmart here in Australia. So this is how my room looks now. Okay, so I'll try and move the camera nice and slow. And that's my little boy. He keeps me company while I craft. Okay, so what we have here is where I do all my embellishments. I keep all of these tags here that were sent to me by my crafting partners and swap partners. So they give me an inspiration. It's my tripod. And in here, this is an Alex drawer from IKEA. I have what do you call it, packaging bags in there, embellishments in here. I keep my some of my metal dies in there on magnetic sheets, my wood stamps, and my bottom drawer are just some papers. These are some more of my papers. And over here, embellishments in jars, tassels, wooden pegs, satin bows, my stickles, eyelets, brads, and some jewelry making components. And in these pink buckets are just more craft supplies that I use, embellishments in there. And in these baskets are craft goodies from my crafting friends, and I use them. And also in here, these are also some packaged goodies that were sent to me, some trim, papers, and I come over here. So I'm just going to move the chair. These are 2 trolleys are from Kmart and they were $10 each, and that's where I store my double-sided tape, glue, scissors, paper punches. My journaling cards are at the bottom, and also some of my finished projects that I have been doing for my tutorials. Over here is my paper flower embellishment station, and this is also an Alex drawer. I'll just quickly show you what's in there. These are just my flat back bling stickers, my sequins, paper clips, enamel dots. This is my washi, and these are bamboo cutlery trays from Kmart, and they fit perfectly in there. I have paper doilies, beads. If you hear that, that's my little boy just walking around. And these are just envelopes for my packaging for my outgoing mail. And down here are some of my Julie Nutting stamps and my gorgeous stamps. And some more packaging stuff. And then we'll come up here. This is a very comfy chair from IKEA. My girls come in here and sit here, and they go on their iPad and sit with me while I craft. These are some incoming mail from some of my pen pals. And also some altered paper clips also sent to me. I always appreciate all these goodies that I receive. And this is my die cutting station. That's my Sizzix Big Shot that I cannot live without. As you can see, my plates are about had it. And these are some drawers that I store my more metal dies, my embossing folders, and this one here are my clear stamps, which I still haven't used half of them yet. These are my ink pads, and in those photo albums there are also more metal dies. And the bottom compartments down there are all my 12x12 paper pads, specialty paper, and 12x12 paper. Some more 12x12s. Some embellishments in my recycled jars. They were jam jars and pasta sauce jars. I just washed them out and just reused them. And that's a shadow box that I created for myself. And we'll come over here. This is the built-in wardrobe, and this is where I store more of my crafting supplies in here. So in those green boxes are just all my jewelry making components. I have my pocket letters in those folders, and these white baskets in here I have my crafting tools, more paper punches, extra craft supplies, my 6x6 paper pads, and the bottom bucket down there is just my Christmas craft supplies, embellishments, paper pads, and this is just a basket full of more papers, so many papers. I just cannot throw them away. And my sewing machine overlocker, and again more crafting supplies. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at my craft room. If there is anything more here that you would like to see, just leave a comment below, and I will do another video. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour of my craft room, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.